Hello everyone, welcome to the Top 10 portal. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 most beautiful and mesmerizing sunsets in India. Number 10 on our list is the Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat. The Run of Kutch is a pristine beauty in itself. The white sand changes its color with every hue of sun. No wonder this is one of the best places to see sunsets in India. Seeing sunset here is just amazing. On number 9, we have the Porcupine Point at Matheran, Maharashtra. Porcupine Point in Matheran is one of the 30 points that are known to provide an amazing view of the sunset. It is one of the best places to be a witness of sunset in India. Number 8 on our list is the Sunset Viewpoint at Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip and end of India's land. It is also a confluence of Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. Kanyakumari is the best place to witness sunset in India. The view here is amazing, serene and unique. On number 7, we have the Ghats of Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Holy chants, thousands of oil lamps and vibrant colors on the Ghats of Varanasi makes for a mesmerizing sunset. There is nothing more enchanting than watching the sunset on the banks of Ganga in Varanasi. Number 6 on the list is Palolem Beach, Goa. This is the perfect place to be a witness of the beauty of sunset. The beach offers an amazing place to make the most of your evenings and witnessing the sunset in the sea. Number 5 on our list is Lovers Point at Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. Lovers Point in Kasauli will definitely make you fall in love with the sunset here. The amazing view of the sunset will make you fall in love with the nature and the surroundings. On number 4, we have the Taj Mahal at Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is a sight for sore eyes. The sunset makes this place even more beautiful. The sunset here is mesmerizing and the experience is uplifting. Number 3 on our list is Nubra Valley, Jammu and Kashmir. Blue sky, patches of cloud, green pastures, this place has it all. Visiting this place is an experience in itself which gets heightened to manifold by the amazing view of the sunset. On number 2, we have the Amayam Lake in Meghalaya. The surreal beauty of the sunset at the Amayam Lake is magnified with the kaleidoscope of colors that covers the sky. The scenic landscape is a gifted stopover in Meghalaya, complete with memorable view. The sunset at the Dal Lake at Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir is number one on our list. Watching the sun settle in the beautiful water surface of Dal Lake in Srinagar is an experience not to be missed. The view becomes more spectacular, witnessed from the windows of the houseboats floating in the lake. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, the T10 portal, for our latest updates.